Sure, thanks. Hey Desmond, thanks for coming in. How are you doing?
I'm alright.
Hey, I heard you had a busy day yesterday.
Yeah.
Did the Rivera set up your room okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's gonna take some time to settle in, but the Riveras, they're a good family, I know them, and they make sure you feel welcome. Now, let me introduce myself, tell you a little bit about what I do. I'll be a social worker. I'll be coordinating all your services, making sure everything's okay at your school, setting you up with the health clinic here, and any other services you may need. Here's my contact information. Feel free to give me a call anytime. Now, I'm just gonna ask you some basic questions so I can figure out how best to assist you. Now, let me make sure I get this correct. I see here you were living with your mother, but now she's in a treatment program. It's a good treatment program, I know them. They'll help your mom out. Now, do you have any relatives in New York?
My auntie used to live here, but she moved to Florida.
Teresa, right? I see I got her contact information. What about your dad?
He died when I was a kid. I was like 3.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Do you know your place of birth? Do you know where you were born?
I was raised in Crown Heights, but I went to school in Brooklyn all the way since kindergarten.
Okay, but were you born in Brooklyn?
Brooklyn has been my life, that's all I know.
I feel you, but I'm just trying to figure out your place of birth and where you were born. Did your mother ever tell you where you were born?
Yeah, I don't know.
Desmond, I know I'm asking a lot of questions, but it's important so I can figure out how to help you. Now, let's start this way. Do you know where your family's from?
My family's from Jamaica, from Freetown near Kingston.
Were you born there?
Yeah, but I don't remember it.
It's okay, it's helpful for us to know. Do you remember how old you were when you came here?
I'm not sure. I was like 2. I remember we went to go visit my aunt and we wound up staying.
Desmond, I need to ask you some sensitive questions, but I want you to know that your confidentiality is very important to us. We have very strict policies against sharing information. ACS and my agency will not provide this information to immigration officials except under very, very limited circumstances. We're asking for this so we can help you.
Okay.
Do you know if you are a U.S. citizen?
Why? I grew up here.
Unfortunately, that doesn't necessarily make you a U.S. citizen. But we may be able to fix your immigration status depending on your situation.
Well, I don't know about anything official, but I know I don't have a social security number. I remember my mom was talking to someone about papers, but I don't know what happened after that.
How about your birth certificate?
I don't know where it is.
Do you know anyone who may have it?
My auntie maybe, but I'm not sure.
Okay, that's fine. I'll try to get it from her. And if that doesn't work, then we'll reapply for a new one. Do you have any other immigration documents?
Like what?
Like a green card, passport?
No, why?
Well, there's an immigrant benefit for youth in foster care called Special Immigrant Juvenile Status. Some people call it SIJ. It's for youth who aren't citizens, and it may be a way for you to get a green card. There may also be other ways we can help you get legal immigration status.
For real?
Yeah, for real. Since you were born in a foreign country and your immigration status is unclear, there may be some really helpful benefits for you. I can refer you to an immigration attorney to see if you're eligible for SIJ or any other benefits.
I don't know about lawyers. The guy who my mom was talking to just disappeared.
Well, we work with lawyers we know are reliable. They're really experienced with this and can tell you if you qualify and what the risk and benefits would be if you made an application for SIJ and a green card. You don't have to pay anything. Immigration sometimes waives the fees, and children's services can cover the immigration and other SIJ-related costs.
So this SIJ can get me a green card? What about a social security number? I was trying to get a job last summer, but they wouldn't let me get one without it.
If you're eligible, your attorney can apply for employment authorization, social security number, and later on, residency status as well. If your application is approved, you may be eligible for financial aid for college and other benefits. Sound good?
A green card? Yeah, sounds good.
Now, this could be a great way for getting some stability for your future. Does this sound like something you want to do?
Sure, but what about my mom? Can she get help too?
Well, unfortunately, SIJ wouldn't necessarily help her. She couldn't get status through you. But there may be other options for your mom. We could give her information about how to find out.
Okay.
Great. So now we need your birth certificate and passport. We try your aunt, or we try to get a replacement from the Jamaican consulate. And we need to refer you to Immigration Legal Services to check your eligibility and help with any applications. You already have an attorney with family court, and you could talk to her about this as well.
How long will this take?
I mean, the process will take a year or longer, depending on the situation. But we want to get started as soon as we can, and definitely before you're age 21. First, we'll get a lawyer to help.
All right.
Well, you know how people say chill out and do what you gotta do? Well, that's what you gotta do now. To get SIDS, you can't be married. You must stay out of trouble, and you cannot be involved in any criminal activity or get yourself in any situation that will get you arrested. This is really important.
Okay.
If everything works out all right, you'll get your green card.
Cool.
Cool. So let's get a lawyer and we can work on this right away.